video we present the Geofix system for photovoltaic. The system is based on screws, ground screws without a flange, and they have welded on top 6-nut M16. And then there is a pipe which is diameter 60. On top of the pipe is already welded a flange where to fix the structure for photovoltaic. After we install the screws, we can put the prolong inside and we can regulate the quote. When we find the right quote, we can fix the prolong with 6 dots on top of the screws. There are different sizes. The size of the screws is 1 meter 20, 1 meter 60 and 2 meter, and the length of the prolong is 1 meter, 1 meter and 50 and 2 meters. The installation of the screws is easy and fast. You can do it manually for the shorter one, or you can use an excavator or an electrical drill. We provide an adapter. The adapter has to be inserted inside the screws, and then you can start installation. In our field, we use the electrical drill. It's this machinery. You insert the adapter inside, and then it turns the screw into the ground. With this machinery and a simple generator, you can install screws all over. Now we're going to show you step by step how we do it. And the screws are installed. We made the installation of 6 screws, 3 on the back. There are screws 2 meters high and they stay out of the ground 80 centimeters. The screws in front are screws 160 and they stay out 40 centimeters. Now we're going to install the prolong. This is the last prolong. The prolong can run up and down inside the screws. When we found the quote, we can fix the prolong to the screws using bolt M16, or even better, we use grains. The grains is more aggressive than the bolt. And when you fix the grain and you fix the pole with the grain, it stays there forever. With the drill, we can fix the bolt or the grain, and we can control the level, one side or other side. Once we have installed the screws and the prolong, on this we can build our structure using different kind of materials, pipes or C-profiles. The important thing is that everything has to be solid.